Notice Situation 1. Vertical pipe at the corner. Cut along the line of the foam pipe. Put the foam pipe and adjust into suitable position. Cut a C shape along the fastener, then tighten it with plastic cable. Situation 2. Vertical pipe at edge. Cut the foam in half. Cut a C shape along the fastener. Go inside and cut the other half of the foam tube in half again. Tighten it by cable. Situation 3. Vertical pipe at the middle. Confirm the length of the tube and cut in the appropriate position. Wrap top and bottom with cable ties. Situation 4. Horizontal pipe at the edge. Measure out the appropriate length by holding the tube to one side. The length of the foam tube should be approximately 5 centimeters longer than the iron tube. Both sides use a knife to trim off the inner foam along the edges at a 45-degree angle. Then both sides will match the pipe tightly and no fastener comes out. Situation 5. Horizontal pipe at the middle with the four-way joint. Measure the foam pipe to the appropriate size and cut along the line. Measure the distance from both ends of the tube to the fastener and cut separately. Put the foam pipe to sides onto the iron pipe like video. Adjust into the suitable position. Cut C-shape along the fastener. And tighten it by cable. Situation 6. Horizontal pipe with the T-joint. Measure the foam pipe and cut it off. Cut along the foam pipeline. Adjust it into a suitable position. Then cut seat shape along the fastener. Tighten it by cable. Cable. The textured side faces out. Smooth towards the inside. Pull it tight. The buckles should be hidden in suitable positions. Must be cut along the buckles of cable. Don't leave too much outside. If cut like this way, it will get hurt.